Hello friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. And I'm here for the first Rain Country photo collaboration, and this one is on craft items. Now what this is, if you're new to my channel, is this new series that I've started, and I thought it would be a really cool idea for those people who've been following my channel and learning some different things or how to make various things off of my crochet videos and sewing videos to send me their photos of the things that they've completed, and I'd put them in a video like a slideshow. And I'm going to be continuing this series on with different topics. So the very next one I'll be doing is on fermenting projects based off my instructional videos, whether it be fermentation starter or making bread from a fermentation starter or kimchi or homemade wine or natural sodas or whatever it is based on my fermenting videos. So if you're game for at least jumping in on this next collaboration, start sending those photos to raincountryhomestead@gmail.com. Now, before I get started on this slideshow, I want to show you a couple of craft-related items that some were sent to me. Actually, I've had them for a few years, and one of them is, this one just came in the mail. So this one is one of my newest squares. Well, I'll probably have more by the time this video comes out, but another collaboration I have going on is going to take a long time to complete, but is people are sending me their homemade 10-inch quilt squares to go in a crazy quilt that I'll put together once I have enough to make hopefully a queen size, but even if I just get a twin, I'd be happy with that, or even a lap quilt to cover up with while we're sitting in a chair or on a couch. So anyway, this was the newest one that came in. So I will link to the video I have out where I talk more about the quilt square collaboration, and so you can learn more about that in the description box down below. And then a couple other items, since they are craft related, is this doll. I don't think I've ever shown this one. So somebody made me this doll, and it's me. And so I'm holding a basket of herbs, and she handcrafted all of this. And the hair, the dress, she's got a patchwork skirt on and an apron, and it's just, I love it. It's really adorable, and I keep meaning to show her, and I've had her for at least a couple of years. So and she's even wearing a little cross necklace. I don't wear necklaces that much, but obviously a sign of my faith right there, so I appreciated that added little touch. And she even has gray in her hair. Cool. And then another one that was made for me, this is one of the ones I've shown her before, where the skirt and the apron, all this is handcrafted. And then the face, because this was formerly one of those Bratz dolls, she took all the paint off the face, all the makeup and everything, and then repainted in the features on the face by hand. So that represents me. And she even made the little boots by hand too. These are actually made separately and go on there. She made them, I think, out of that clay. What is it called? I can't remember the name of the clay. We used to use that. I used to use it with my kids. But anyway, there's a colored clay you can buy. So thank you again, all you people who've been sending me these handmade gifts over the years and for being a part of these different collaborations. Now let's go on to this photo collaboration. And I want to say before I get started is that while a lot of these are pretty close to my pattern that I have out, there's a few photos that were included that were inspirations of things. And also, though most of what you're going to see are sewn items and mostly skirts, there are a couple of crocheted items that I did get photos of. It's supposed to be anything crocheted or sewn from my instructional videos. And if you're interested in learning more, I'll link to both the crochet playlist, which is a crochet 101, so I have videos on how to get started and the basic stitches, as well as some simple projects, and also the sewing video as well. So let's get started on this photo collaboration. All right, well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this collaboration. And for those of you who would like to be a part of the next one, don't forget, send in your fermenting related photos. It'll be a while out, so you've got time. raincountryhomestead@gmail.com. And I'll have more collaborations coming down the road. I think the one I'm going to do after the fermenting one will be a garden one. So specifically garden photos from 2022, but I'll probably accept some from previous years as well, so that we can just share with everyone out there and everybody has a chance to be a part of that. And I'm sure I'll come up with even more collaborations, so don't feel left out. If you don't have anything to include in any of the ones we're doing so far, there'll be more to come. And you can also give me some ideas down below. What are some other photo collaboration ideas that would have something to do with my channel and do another video on? All right, well, thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.